What if the biggest AI revolution isn't happening in Silicon Valley or China? What if it's being quietly launched by a man more known for scandalous tweets than for secret plans? While the world watches Musk's rockets and social media drama, he's building something far more powerful, a quiet empire of intelligence, neural networks, supercomputers, brain-machine interfaces. This isn't just business, it's control, and possibly something even bigger, because Elon Musk isn't just chasing AI, he might want to own it. Today, we'll ask, is Elon Musk really building an artificial intelligence empire? And if so, what does that mean for the future of humanity? Elon Musk is a man of contradictions. He warns the world about AI's dangers in interviews, while simultaneously building some of the most advanced AI systems on the planet. But unlike OpenAI or Google DeepMind, Musk's approach isn't centralized in one lab. It's decentralized, scattered across multiple companies, each playing a specific role in a larger plan. On the surface, these companies look like separate projects, a chatbot here, a brain implant there. But when you look closer, they connect like pieces of a puzzle, forming a master blueprint. This isn't random innovation, it's a coordinated empire. Let's start with the most obvious piece, xAI. Founded in 2023, xAI came seemingly out of nowhere, but in just a few months, it launched Grok, a chatbot integrated into X, formerly Twitter, designed not just to compete with ChatGPT, but to surpass it with a twist. Grok was trained on real-time data from X, something OpenAI doesn't have. That means it sees breaking news, public sentiment, and live political discourse as it happens. It's not just intelligent, it's socially aware. But xAI isn't stopping at chatbots. It's reportedly working on multimodal models, real-time reasoning engines, and systems that don't just respond, but act. And the best part? xAI isn't a standalone company. It's embedded directly into Musk's social network, giving it access to over 500 million users' behavior, interests, and beliefs. That's not just data, that's power. Everyone sees Tesla as a car company, but Elon Musk once said something strange. Tesla is arguably the biggest robotics and AI company in the world, and he might be right. Every Tesla vehicle is a rolling sensor, feeding millions of miles of driving data back to Tesla's central neural net. The company's full self-driving system is more than a feature. It's a training ground for a general-purpose AI that can perceive, decide, and act in the real world. But here's where it gets deeper. Tesla is developing its own AI chips and training supercomputers, including one called Dojo, that could rival the most powerful machines in the world. Unlike NVIDIA chips, which everyone else relies on, Dojo is purpose-built by Tesla, optimized for training neural networks at unprecedented scale. In simple terms, Musk is building his own AI army, and the weapons are self-driving robots on wheels. What if AI doesn't stay outside us, but enters our brains? That's the idea behind Neuralink, Musk's brain-machine interface company. On paper, it's a medical device, a chip that helps people with paralysis or neurological disorders. But in interviews, Musk has said the quiet part out loud. Eventually, we'll achieve symbiosis with artificial intelligence. In other words, Neuralink isn't just for healing, it's about upgrading the human mind. Think about the implications. An AI assistant that lives inside your thoughts, memory recall at will, real-time language translation, instant access to the internet without typing a word. Neuralink turns humans into nodes in a vast neural web, and in that web, Musk sits at the center. Social media may seem like a strange piece of the AI puzzle, but Musk's acquisition of Twitter, now rebranded as X, wasn't just about free speech, it was about data. Social media generates some of the most valuable training data in existence: human emotions, debates, groupthink, outrage, humor, real-time, global behavior. By owning X, Musk doesn't just observe these patterns, he controls the platform that creates them. And by feeding that data into Grok and future xAI systems, he's effectively building an AI that understands not just how humans speak, but how they think. While most AI companies depend on NVIDIA for training, Tesla's secret weapon is Dojo, its in-house AI supercomputer. Dojo isn't just fast, it's designed for video, something that's notoriously hard for traditional AI systems. That gives Tesla and Musk a massive edge in building vision-based models. Imagine training a general-purpose AI not on text, but on the real world. Traffic, people, cities, decisions. This isn't just for cars. Dojo could eventually train humanoid robots, surveillance systems, or even synthetic agents that interact with the physical world like humans do. It's not about one AI model, it's about an AI ecosystem, trained, deployed, and optimized entirely within Musk's empire. When you connect the dots, a strange picture emerges. XAI gives Musk natural language understanding, and Generation X provides real-time human sentiment data. Tesla collects video of the physical world and mobility patterns. Dojo trains models that learn from both text and real-world input. Neuralink offers a path to connect those systems directly to the human brain. This isn't a tech stack, it's an intelligence pyramid, with Musk at the top. Other companies build AI tools. Musk is building an AI civilization, complete with data supply chains, computing infrastructure, social interfaces, and even mind-machine merging. So why is he doing this? Musk says he fears AI, that it could destroy humanity if unchecked. But instead of slowing it down, he's trying to own the process. Because if you control the platforms, the chips, the networks, and the data, you don't just innovate. You shape the rules of intelligence itself. In a world where AI will make decisions about economy, war, health, justice, the person who builds the most trusted system may become more powerful than any government. Here's the unsettling part. Most people think Elon Musk is busy launching rockets or tweeting memes, but the real action is happening in hidden layers of code, silicon, and neural links. He's quietly assembling the most vertically integrated AI empire in the world, with direct access to our roads, our thoughts, and our social discourse. The question isn't whether Musk is building an AI empire. The question is, what will he do once he controls it? Musk once said, "Whoever controls AI will control the future." And while Google and Microsoft battle for dominance in the open, Musk is building something deeper, stranger, and perhaps more dangerous. This isn't just a tech story. It's a new kind of power struggle, not for oil, land, or money, but for consciousness itself. Will Musk be the savior who guides AI with caution, or the architect of a machine world where control becomes absolute? Only time will tell.